begin the second half. Club leading by 2-0 against Anjana Gymkhana. Remain Archer Sports Club with to 3-0 in favor. The last 30 seconds of the second half. Orchard Sports Club leads by 3-0. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And thus ends our very first Orchard Sports Club by 3-0 against Anjana Gymkhana. A hearty congratulations to the winner.
league for beach soccer. Could you give some more details? What do you have in your mind and what do you think can be done?
See, I had done a course. I had gone for a seminar in Sri Lanka in the month of September last year. There, beach soccer worldwide said like, if you all can do something in your in your country, then it will be a big push for us. But for me, what it is like, if AIFF is not taking any initiative, I suggest GFA to do something, at least in beach soccer, where we can see some players playing, and we can keep the beach soccer alive in Goa. At least there are good beaches. You don't need much of infrastructure, just some sideboard, and we write to beach soccer worldwide. We get the full equipment from them. They ask for what? They sponsor the equipment.
So, what do you feel is a league? If you organize a league, how many teams do you think should make that league? How long? Because there's already the pro league that goes on. Second division, third division is there. First division also. I League is also there. Beach soccer is more like a T20 of football. It's an entertainment sport. How do you think it can be fit into the schedule?
See, 2018, Goa has bid for beach soccer, beach games in Goa. What do you need? At least, if we think of 2018, we need a beach soccer team in India, where India will play as a host nation. At least do something for that. If not, don't think about 2018. At least think of next year. We can start a beach soccer league, where we can start with 15 teams, or we can start with 10 teams. It is not a big this thing. We can do it slowly.
Okay. And what do you think about this tournament? First time it's organized. Many spectators also have come to see it. What do you think of tournament? Is it organized well?
See, only thing I should have said that the advertisement should have done it much earlier.
Okay.
It is just in wait time that yesterday they told that there's a seminar, and after that only there is a lot of people have come over here. But I feel like if at least 5 days in advance, like advertisement that the beach soccer tournament is in Goa, in Kalangur, a lot of people would have come.
Okay. Bruno, a few things before you go. What was there in that seminar that you liked a lot when you had gone to Colombo? What are the few points that you liked a lot, which we can use in Goa right away?
See, as for me, the beach soccer worldwide coaches training was there, referees training was there, and administration side. Administration side, the chairman of the beach soccer in India, Hardev Jadeja, was there. I was on the coaching side, but I have learned a lot of things. Okay. I have learned about the rules and all everything, but I want to do something. But if I get some help from our guys, then I can do it. But if there is no help, I can sleep tight. That's my thing.
And what about sponsors? There are a lot of sponsors you
see, I'll tell you one thing. This is an entertainment sport. I feel if Kingfisher is there, Budweiser is there, anybody is there, sponsors will do come. Okay. And if it is organized in a good way, more sponsors.
No, we think you've got to go back to the match as well. Thank you very much, and hope beach soccer grows in Goa and India. Thanks.